welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I missed you guys so much, you guys. I got so many DMs on Instagram. Like guys, I know it's been a while since I have filmed. So today I'm tasting and trying out new products as well and trying to create a new something gorgeous Durga Puja makeup look. Let's see how it is turned out. So I'm not starting with my makeup wala face and I am starting with my bare face so that you people come on with me and you see what I am going to turn out my face into, or what I am going to transform myself into. So without any further blabbering, let's get into the video, guys. So guys, I'll just pull back all of my hair with this hairband. Yes, and these guys, I have already moisturized my face with the Avon brightening day cream. Yeah, this is the day cream with SPF 20. If you have not watched already, I have a full review on this whole range. I really swear by this range, and this is a very nice cream, you guys. But if you're going out creating this look in the daytime and you're going out in the day, out in the sunlight, do make sure that you wear a sunscreen. I strongly recommend the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen, this one. Yes guys, so yes guys, because SPF 20 in a day cream is just not enough to protect your skin, as I have always said this. So yes guys, as I have been always saying this in all of my videos, that I do like to try out Indian brands and giving chances to the Indian brands. So I have picked up this Blue Heaven makeup fixer mist spray formula, and today I am going to prime my face with this only. Let's see how this works all together. So yes guys, I'm going to use two foundation onto my skin because this is not my shade. This is 2 shades darker than my skin tone, so I use this as a corrector. And this is the Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick. I do have a full review on this. I will be using the Maybelline Master Brush. This is also one of my recent purchases, so I will be trying out this brush for my foundation as well to blend today's foundation onto my skin. So I'm going underneath my eyes and some here. I'm using this as a corrector, so I'll not go all over my face with this, guys. And do not forget your neck as well, guys. So let's just start stippling. Let's see how does this work. I'll just look upwards, and do make sure when you're blending the product underneath your eye, you look upwards. Not bad. I really like the bristle of the brush. It is not too stiff and not too thick onto the skin. You guys can see how much it is darker than my skin tone, so that I did like this brush a lot. And so next up I'm going with this foundation onto my skin. This is exactly my skin tone, so I'll just take 2-3 pump of it, and that is just more than enough for my skin because I have a very small tiny face, I believe. So just to cover up the concealing part, I'll go all over with this again. And I did blend out my neck as well off camera. And don't worry if it is giving a white cast right now, it will settle down to my skin. It does get oxidized after some time, so don't worry, guys. Guys, I will be trying out the new Fit Me, what is this, concealer, the liquid concealer, and I'm in the shade 20 Sand. If anybody is interested to know, this is exactly sometimes my shade, and when I'm tan, this is a highlighting shade for me. But right now this is and if you don't have a lot of dark circle, you do not need to use a concealer altogether. I will be using this just to brighten up right now my under eyes. Because, and guys, also do tell me that do you want to see a detanning routine on my channel. I have been tanned off lately very badly. I just came from a trip, so I have been tanned very badly. I'll just go near my lips as well, and some over here, and below where my contour should be, and of course on the bridge of my nose, and like this between my brows. Not like very much, but I'll blend my underneath my eyes after some while actually, because let's just that like the product settle down, so that I get a better coverage underneath my eyes. So now I will blend underneath my eyes, you guys. Banana powder, I have been using this after a while. I had this in my vanity for a very very long time. I do take some powder. I will be taking this with a more concentrated brush, and there was fallout. I'm taking it with a concentrated brush and bake for some time, because there are too many products underneath my eyes today, so I'll just bake with this. And yeah, just go over my eyes as well, my smile line, and the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and underneath my contour where should have been. Did my eyebrows off camera. It's just I use the Miniso pencil, and I am a very big pencil fan to fill in my eyebrows. I don't use a pomade or anything fancy. So yes guys, I recently this Maybelline brush was sent to me, and this is the box, and at the back it is also given how to use, like one is a highlighter brush and one is a powder brush, I believe, as they say. Yeah, no, one is a foundation brush and one is a powder brush. This is the foundation brush and this is the powder brush, and the brush is super soft, you guys. So like to dust off my bake, I am using the powder side. Let's see, I have more fluffier brush, but okay, let's just work with this. Okay, not a very bad brush, and I will not dust off underneath my eyes, because today I'm going to do heavy eye makeup. So like let's not just dust this off, because if there is any fallout from any of these products, I will be using 3 palettes which I have bought off lately and wanted to play with colors. So if there is any fallout, so that I can wipe this off. Taking this brown shade, and what is this shade called? Tickle. I'm going to take this shade, guys, and apply this, and excess fallout will be, it is on my crease, and these are supremely pigmented, you guys. So guys, you guys can see these are supremely pigmented. Brown brick color. So yeah, I will just dust off the excess and slowly pat it underneath the color, and trying mixing both the color onto my crease, as you guys can see. Next, I'm going Love Bite with this shade right here. This is a pink toned color, pink toned or queen. This is a mauve kind of color, you guys. So, and I'm defining this on my outer V. I'm applying this on my outer V, as you guys can see. Make it all good together, and yeah, I'll use my concealer wand only just to cut my half of my crease, as you guys can see it in the video, just to cut half of my crease. And I'll just use a flat shader brush like this to cut my crease properly. And I'm not doing a proper cut crease, because I'm just going, because when I have slightly hooded eyes, not hooded eyes, but I have got slightly hooded eyes, because when I open my lids, it's like almost can't be seen. So I'm just going slightly above my crease. I'm going with this shade from this Hilary Rhoda palette, and I'll use this in my inner corners, as you guys can see. This color is beautiful, you guys. Take this golden color, this golden shimmer kind of color, and place it on the center of my eyelids, as you can guys see. Next guys, I'll just sweep away all my baking, but luckily there was no fallout whatsoever. And I'll just line my, so guys, for lining my eyes today I have the Blue Heaven Line and Design Sketch Eyeliner Long Wear. This step I will be using the Lakme Absolute Flutter Secret Mascara for my eyes, just to give them some volume and some length. Which makes your eyes look bigger. Absolutely optional. I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner in the shade, what is this shade called? This shade is golden as far as I know. Hyper Glossy, yeah, I don't know. I'll mention the shade name in the bottom bar. I'm using it to just to spark up my eyes a little bit more. For blush, I'm using the Maybelline Color Show in the shade Peachy Sweetie. I'll just be taking this and apply it on the apple of my cheeks. And for bronzing, you guys, I'm using the Sivana Colors Bronze Professional Palette, and it has been broken by mistake by me, but the product is intact. The lid has been broken, so I can use the product altogether. And I'm taking the darkest shade from here, of course, to bronze my skin. For my highlighter today, I'm going with the Sivana Colors Shimmer Brick, and it has got many shades, so I will be taking this pearl shade at the top, sorry, and to highlight my face. Can you see that glow, you guys? Finish off with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Ruler 08. This is a very nice shade, you guys, and I'm using it for the first time on my lips, you guys. And I'll just apply it on my lips. I'll just go with this fixer onto my face to finish up this look. I really like the products. All of it worked very nicely. This formulation is very comfortable to wear on the lips. I'm not feeling my lips to be tacky or patchy or anything. The formulation is very top class, very nice. I would rate it 9 out of 10. This is very nice. Only the price point is a bit steep, so for that I deducted 1 point from it. And yes guys, the palette is also very pigmented. Come on, we just cannot always expect a lot from a 200 rupees palette, but this look has turned out really very nicely. I really like this look. And yes guys, the brush has worked very nicely for me. The concealer has worked very nicely for me. So you guys can definitely go for this look, and according to your color or according to your outfit, you can just change the eye color or the lip color. And yeah, I hope so all of you have enjoyed my this tutorial and this look. If you did, then do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then,